Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a upcoming 2025 Ram 1500. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Ram 1500 boasts a robust structure made of high-strength steel and aluminum, ensuring durability and reduced weight. Its fuel capacity is 32 gallons, allowing for extensive driving range. The engine options include a 3.6 LV6 and a 5.7 LV8, both offering impressive power and efficiency. The exterior features a sleek design with active grille shutters, LED lighting, and available 22-inch wheels. Inside, the Ram 1500 offers premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats and a panoramic sunroof. The interior dashboard features a 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, and a premium audio system. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Dimensions: length, 232.9 inches. Width, 79.4 inches. Height, 77.2 inches. Wheelbase, 140.9 inches. Price, starting at $40,000. Top trim, $65,000. Additional features: available 4-wheel drive, max towing capacity, up to 12,750 pounds. Max payload capacity, up to 2,320 pounds. Available eTorque mild hybrid technology. Luxurious interior options, including suede-like microfiber and premium leather. Advanced technology features, including a 360-degree camera system and parking sensors. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we will meet soon in next video.